Hello, my name is Dan Sheffield, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Games of Math 1 edition and money. And we're concentrating on just the games. So we're going to start with our first game, which is called Build a Pet. And we'll click on Start.
Click on the head icons below to pick what you want your character to look like. Click on the yellow arrows to see more choices. Click on the green OK arrow when you have made your selection.
So we're going to click on OK.
Click on the number in the hundreds place.
Okay.
Click on the number in the thousands place.
All right.
Spend your points to buy the type of pet you want to have. Click on the number in the thousands. Click on.
All right.
Select the base color of your pet. Click on the number in the tens place. Click on the number in the.
All right.
Decide what name you want to give your pet. Click on the number in the. Click on the number.
All right.
Select the body pattern of your pet. Click on the number in the thousands place. Click on the number.
So I'm going to go on now, and this is our Catch It game that follows. Basically, we have built a pet, and we're going to use that pet throughout the program. So we're going to click on Start, and then we choose our difficulty level. We'll start at the normal level. Here's the pet that we have, and we'll click on the answers here. And so we've got 6.
Try to throw the disc to your
Now I'm going
pet.
to skip the instructions, so we're going to throw our disc at the pet and see how close we can get to the pet.
Yes.
Okay, that was pretty good. Let's try one more. So we'll go 7 and 5, 3.
Try to throw the disc to your
And we'll
pet.
skip the instructions and throw the disc, and the pet
Great
sticks.
catch. All right.
So this gives us our score, and we go on and we try to build up our score. I'm going to hit the reset button, and we're going to go back to Start. And now we're going to try the extreme level, which is a lot more fun, but much more difficult. But we get more points as well.
Try to throw the disc
Let's
to your
skip the instructions. Now our pet's moving. We've got wind speed of 18. And so let's see what happens. Ooh, a little bit off there. Well, we'll try one more.
Try to throw the disc to your
Skip the instructions, and now we've got a wind speed of 19. And a lot more difficult. Let's go on to the next game in Games of Math 1. This is our pet competition. We'll click on Start. So we'll have our obedience,
Build the love between you and your pet by answering some questions.
and we'll skip the instructions. And so we're going to go 14 and carry the 1, and we're going to have 5. Okay, there's 5. And we got 5 and 6. And now we're going to have 13, carry the 1, and 5. And we've got 14, carry the 1, and we'll have 7. And 12, and carry the 1, 7. Okay.
Give your pet commands by clicking the arrow buttons. when an arrow gets to the center of the green bar. The closer to the green bar, the more points you will get. Your pet will get ready.
Go ahead and
go! Speak. Jump. Up. Good. Down. 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 Jump. Perfect. Up. Down. Speak. 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 Up. Good. Jump. Down. Jump. Jump. Down. Jump. Speak. Down. Good. Speak. Jump. Up. Up. Jump. Up. Jump. Speak. Speak. We did it. Up.
now we have a agility course.
Answer questions to gain speed. When you see a hurdle, press the jump button to jump over it. When you see a stop pad, press the stop button to briefly stop on the pad. Get ready? Go! We did it! Speak. Answer questions to gain speed. When you get to the end of the track, click the jump button to jump into the pool. When you are in the air, you can press the trick buttons to add some style to your jump and score some extra points. Try to jump as far as you can. Get ready? Go! We did it!
So there's our pet competition. We'll click on OK. There's our scores.
Great job! You beat the level goal! Do you want to move up to the next level for this game?
So we'd move up to the next level. This one we finished. So we'll go on, and then I'll show you the gold tower. So we'll click on Start.
Oh no!
Your pet has run off into the gold tower. It's your job to go find your pet. Hold down the arrow keys on the keyboard to move your character around the screen.
Oh, we have to.
Hold down the arrow keys on the keyboard to move your character around the screen.
There
Press
we
the
go.
space bar to swing your net. Catch all the blue blobbies with your net to open the door.
That's it.
Now we have a couple of coins there we could get, but we can leave them and go on. And now we've captured all of the numbers.
Answer the word problem. Drag the numbers into place and click OK.
So we've got 8 and 18, so looks like that's going to be 26. So we'll drag 26 up and click on OK.
All right.
And we got some coins and the keys. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right now. So we're back. I have another question here. What I've done is played a few, not levels, but rounds of the program so that we're doing a little more. So we'll click on the answer and...
All right.
And now we'll go back into the game. And now we have a very different game. Here we go. Okay, so we can swing and catch that. And then we can go over here. So there's a lot of different elements that appear in the game as you go through the game and through the different rounds of the game. Now I have to go all the way over here. Let's see if there's a short way to do that. Let's go here. And there gets to be more,
That's it.
more elements. So let's go on to the next game. The Money Madness. So we're talking about money here. So let's click on Start.
It's time to buy some treats. Drag the money to the slot that equals the price and click OK. If you can't pay with the exact amount of money, I'll help you make change.
So we'll put the quarter in. And then, let's see. We'll put a nickel in. So now we have 30 cents. We're looking for 43 cents. So we don't have 3 cents. Well, let's take this, let's clear it, and let's just do 2 quarters and click on OK.
Too much money entered. How much money should you get back? Click on the correct change.
Okay. So we have to make our change. So we put in 43, so we need 7 cents. So we'll click on 7 cents and click.
Next.
Okay, 24 cents. Okay. Click on OK.
Click on the correct change.
So we just have 1 penny.
Next.
And we'll do one more. So the price is $1. I have 50 cents and quarter and quarter. And click on OK.
Perfect payment. Next.
So let's go on to the next game. That's a pet store, one of our best games. So this is our pet game, and notice that we're on level 3 already. So we've played a few of the levels, and things are a little more complicated, and we have more pets. So we're starting out. We have a special on fish cakes, but let's look at our supplies and see what we have right now. So I don't see that we have anything but 20 fish cakes right now. So we're going to close our book, and since we've got the special, let's go ahead and buy one of those. Now we have $21 to work with, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then let's go ahead and look at the newspaper and see what people like right now. They like goldfish and turtles, not so much on the chameleons or fancy goldfish. So we'll close that. And so we're going to buy some fish, and looks like we can get those for 94 cents. So let's go ahead and get 10 of those. Okay. So now we've spent $11.22. Let's go over and look at the turtles. I think we said that turtles were popular right now. So let's get some turtles. And they're $30. Oops, that's not going to work out. So we can't really buy any turtles. So in that case, let's go back to fish. And let's see how we do with that. So we've got, let's get some more fish cakes. So we spent $13.
Come back again soon.
So we need to feed our fish.
Come and
So
get it.
we want 5 stars here.
Good.
Okay. And then we don't have anything else, so we're going to go and set our prices for our fish. So we paid 94 cents for the fish, so let's see if we can sell them for $1.50. Whoops, went back too much. We'll try $1.50. Okay, and let's go sell. Looks like they're selling pretty good.
This was a good day.
Okay, so looks like we made some profit here, and we sold a lot of our fish. So we'll close on and go to the next day, and going into our warehouse, and we have a special on goldfish today for 2. It's not a good deal, because we can get goldfish down here for 88 cents, so we probably wouldn't want to do that. But let's look at what sells today. Goldfish, fancy goldfish, and rabbits. Turtles and chameleons are not selling at all. So anyhow, we're going to close the paper, and that's a little example of our pet store. And that's a great game. And we have, now if we click here on our levels, we can see where we're at with each one of the games that we're in. So we have in our pet competition, we moved up to level 2, and in the pet shop, we're at level 3. That's our Games of Math 1 edition of money, available from helpmetolearn.com at www.helpme2, that's the number 2, learn.com, or at superstarphonics.com.